Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Cyber Crypto. I'm here with a new token review. So guys, if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Friends, let me remind you first that this is not a financial advice but just a review on a token. So entirely it's your choice for investing. So let's talk about the token I'm going to review today. It is FarmZ. So what is a FarmZ? FarmZ is a hyperdeflationary and reverse token that provides static rewards in BNB, BUSD, Cake, and FarmZ token by simply holding FarmZ on your wallet, and additionally 2% of all transactions are burned. So you can click and claim the FarmZ token, and 2% of all the transactions, whether buy and sale transfer, will incur 2% fees that will be permanently burned to a zero address, creating a massive deflation of token supply on every transaction. So they have mentioned community governance here. After the pre-sale, and liquidity will be locked from a minimum of 10 years, and ownership will be renounced in favor of the community. Oracle and governance platform will be launched in Q2 2022 to ensure project decentralization. So they have mentioned tokenomics also here. FarmZ is a token name. A token symbol is FarmX, decimal 18, network smart chain. So this token are built on Binance Smart Chain network, and this is a contact address. You can put this address on Binance Smart Chains. So after the pre-sale, all firms X will be automatically swapped to firm Z token. How it works? So this information is about buy firm Z, join our limited pre-sale and airdrop opportunity, get firm Z token or greater discount, hold firm Z, hold your firm Z token on your MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any BEP20 compatible wallet to ensure you will receive reflection rewards. Check wallet. Watch your BNB, BUSD, Cake, and FarmZ balance grows as more transaction occurs in our PancakeSwap. So you can also join the pre-sale and airdrop. So it has only 5 days to joining this pre-sale, and listing price will be 1 firm Z is equal to 5 USD. Liquidity will be added on PancakeSwap on 17 January 2022, and you can invite more people and get 15% BNB plus 50% farm set in every airdrop and pre-sale. So you can click on this claim option and claim 5 from X token. So you have minimum buy firm is 15 firm Z. So this is approximately in a BNB amount 0.01 BNB, and you have on 50 farms Z. Maximum buy you have 10 BNB and is equal to 15,000 farms Z. So you can click on the amount and buy this token, and you can get the referral link just putting the BEP20 address, and share the link to your friends and earn from it. So here mention the social media links like Telegram and Twitter. So buy it, hold it, and earn it, and buy it again. So that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.